Good evening, traders. This is Daud from Elliott Wave Forecast.com. In today's video, we're going to take another look at copper. We had a look at copper about a week ago, in which we said that copper could go up and test this area over here. All right, it could test this area between 3.07 to 3.09, where it should find sellers, and we would like to sell it up there for a move. This move lower here, all right, for new lows below this 11.5 low, right? So copper did trade, sideways. Okay, it spent a lot of time trading sideways here in a tight range, and before it eventually managed to see the spike up, and then of course you can see it quickly got rejected. It did find sellers in the area, and this level here, it was almost the 76.4 fib retracement also of this decline here. Okay, the red W. So let's see if it managed to do a test of 76.4 fib. It almost got there, missed it probably by a couple of ticks, but it did manage to get to the equal legs here of these swings, and then we saw the reaction lower, exactly what we were expecting. And now what do we have here from this peak? All right, we can see three swings down from this high, W, X, and Y. We're labeling it W, X, Y because this was not a 5-wave move, and this wasn't a 5-wave move either. All right, so we have reached the equal legs here of the blue W and X. Now this is where wave W is expected to complete in this highlighted area. Although we have hit the equal legs, you cannot rule out copper doing this here in W before bouncing in wave X. And another significance of the 1.236 extension level here is that if you take a look at the extensions of W related to X, all right, that's gonna be your 0.618 extension of the red WX also. Okay, and that's the level which is typically where the first leg of wave Y would end in a WXY structure. All right, and as we're labeling it as a WXY structure from this peak, okay, WX and Y, like a double three structure. So the 0.618 of WX is the typical level or typical area for the first leg of wave Y to end, which is going to be this wave W in double parenthesis. So although we have hit equal legs down from the high, another low to about 2.984 area, cannot be ruled out before we get a bounce in this wave X, and then lower again, looking for about 2.969 to 2.891 area. This is the area that we would be focusing on as far as bounces stay below this high over here. So those who shorted the copper on this move up, we would like to stay short with a break even or a risk-free position, and of course we do not like to buy into this move up. And for short-term traders, this bounce in wave X should present another short-term selling opportunity against this high. All right, looking for a move lower to a 2.926 to 2.891. All right, remember there is a red arrow here, which means we do not like to buy into this move up. But as far as this high stays in place, we would like to sell the rallies here, looking for this area to end cycle from here, and also a WXY structure from here. All right, so that's what we like in copper. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Take care of yourself and have a great evening.